Welcome to Bevinzey, your AI-powered learning platform. This is Dr. Dankwa, and in this tutorial, we are going to take a deep dive into the Topic Expander module on Bevinzey. Now, the Topic Expander module helps you delve into any subject and receive brilliantly crafted, comprehensive yet succinct response fueled by our cutting-edge AI. So it allows you to master complex concepts with ease as the Topic Expander optimizes content for enhanced retention and comprehension. So let's get right to it. So to access the Topic Expander, go to bevinzey.com, and then once you're on bevinzey.com, simply log in, and then after you've logged in, click on Services, and then in the Services page, click on Topic Expander, and that should bring you to this interface. So now that you're on the Topic Expander interface, you'll notice that you have two text boxes. You simply type in the topic that you're interested in the top text box, and then your answer will be generated in the bottom one. So just as a quick note, you want to make sure that the topic that you're typing in, there is no more than 30 characters. So say for instance, you were interested in quantum physics, simply type quantum physics, click on the generate button, and allow our cutting AI technology to actually do its own thing. So there you have it. You will notice how the Topic Expander gives a very brilliantly crafted, comprehensive yet succinct explanation of quantum physics, and all of this content that you see has been designed to be optimized for enhanced retention and comprehension. So if you take a look at it, you have a very nice quick introduction. Quantum physics, also known as quantum mechanics, is a branch of physics that investigates the behavior and properties of matter and energy at the smallest scales. So that's really kind of clear and succinct. Then if you go into the body, you notice how it breaks down very nicely into understanding the principle of quantum mechanics, talks about quantum mechanics in daily life, quantum computing and information technology, and it goes on, and it gives you a really nice conclusion. So now there are a number of things you can do. You can actually click on the copy icon at the bottom right corner here, and that will copy the content. You could then actually paste it in your word processing document such as Google Docs or Word document to archive it. The other thing you could also do is you could actually just copy this and then go to one of the other modules in Bevinzey, such as the summarize text to key points module or the text to questions module, and use this as some starter content to actually understand more deeper what this quantum physics or quantum mechanics is. Now the other thing you can do is you can also export this. So you can export it as a text document, you can export it as a PDF, and then actually if you wanted, you can simply export it as a Word document as well. So for the text document, you're going to end up with this. You can actually just simply copy this or save this. And then for the PDF, you have a very nice layout, really nice layout. So you could add this to your arsenal of information and refer to it as needed. So you have the title, the introduction, the body, everything really nicely laid out. And then also you have the Word document. So there you have it. Now with the Word document, you can simply go ahead and make lots of edits to it and then personalize it for your own steady process. So you can simply change it. Actually, you can delete this or give it a different heading and then modify as needed. You could do some additional study and amplify each of the paragraphs if you need to. But this is a very good, succinct explanation of what quantum physics is to get you started on your learning journey. So whether you're a biology student trying to understand the process of DNA replication, or a literature student delving into the symbolism in To Kill a Mockingbird, or even a philosophy student trying to wrap your head around existentialism, Bevinzey's Topic Expander is here to simplify it all for you. So once again, there you have it. The Topic Expander is a tool that breaks down complex concepts into digestible content and is crafted just for you. So with Bevinzey's Topic Expander, skyrocketing your academic performance is no longer a dream. So for more information and tips on how to maximize your Bevinzey experience, visit our website at bevinzey.com, and happy learning.